Invitation has been sent to the Vice President to appear before this proceeding, and clearly she opted not to
attend.
Not to attend. Ang tanong ko lang, ma'am, is her non-attendance, can it be construed as a waiver of her right to be heard at this stage?
Meron nga sinight si Luis ba yun? Na yung hindi niya pag-appear is itself a violation of the Constitution?
Yes, in fact, Chairperson Luistro even cited a case. I think it was penned by Justice Tiham, and said that the non-appearance in the proceedings is tantamount to a violation of the Constitution. Nag-agree po dyan si Honorable Laila de Lima. And for us naman po, no, totoo, nung hindi po siya sumipot nung huli po naming hearing, she waived her right to be present there, to answer what could have been asked her. But as we said, in the next hearings, she may participate. She may participate through her lawyers, and we will follow the Constitution, the rules, and afford her due process as dictated by the Supreme Court in the Duterte decision.
The critics of the House and the camp of the Vice President continue to label this process as nothing but a fishing expedition. Ang tanong lang po natin, ma'am, should the House scale back its process just because the Vice President find this process politically uncomfortable?
Of course not. Ang proseso ay nakasaad sa Constitution, nakasaad po to sa rules which we adopted at the start of this term. It's the same rules that we adopted in the previous terms. Wala pong pinagbago yan. In fact, in the previous impeachment complaints, yan din po ang rules na ginamit nila. Why would we scale back just because a party is uncomfortable? That would be irresponsible on our part. Well, kaya nga siya may abogado. We expected her to do everything to question the proceedings before the Committee on Justice. Kaya nga sabi namin, expected naman na magkakaso siya sa Supreme Court. But we assure the public that we are doing everything that is dictated by the Constitution and by the rules.